Hey guys, welcome back to the another new video. Today we are diving into the world of global sourcing and exploring one of the most trusted platform when it's come to buying directly from Chinese suppliers, madeinchina.com. In a global economy, sourcing products at right price and quality is crucial, whether you are a startup or a major retail brand. But how do you ensure you are dealing with trusted supplier? That's where madeinchina.com comes in. Let's take a look at how the platform works, what features it offers, and what user thinks about it. Let's get started. Madeinchina.com is easy to use whether you are just starting out or have experience in sourcing. The layout is clean, the menus are straightforward, and everything is organized to help you find what you need quickly without getting overwhelmed. A great feature of the site is its supplier directory. You can check out detailed profiles for each suppliers, including their company background, certifications, and types of product they offers. The search and filter tools on madeinchina.com are really helpful, especially when you are trying to sort through a lot of products. You can filter by price range, minimum order quantity, delivery time, supply location, and even certifications. This makes it easy to compare different suppliers and products side by side, so you can quickly find the best fit for your needs without wasting time scrolling through irrelevant listing. The product search and filtering system is powerful. You can narrow result by price, MOQ, lead time, and more. It's incredibly useful when you are comparing multiple options. Madeinchina.com also provides secure communication tools so you can chat directly with suppliers, request quotes, and negotiate terms, all without leaving the platform. Let's go over some standard features that make madeinchina.com different from other sourcing platforms. These tools are designed to make your sourcing process easier, safer, and more efficient. First up, we have verified suppliers. Many suppliers on the platform have verification badges, which means they have been checked by trusted third parties. It's a great way to know you are dealing with legitimate businesses, something that's really important when you are sourcing from overseas. Another big plus is the flexible payment option and trade assurance. You can choose from several secure payment methods, which makes transaction convenient no matter where you are located. Plus, trade assurance give you buyer protection, so if something goes wrong with your order, you are covered. That kind of peace of mind is a huge benefit when you are ordering from overseas suppliers. Need something specific? Their customized sourcing solution help you to find the perfect factories tailored exactly to your needs. In a simple term, like if you want to source a specific product which is not available here, don't worry, by using this feature you can source your desirable product. All you have to do is simply click on post your request now button and you will be redirected this page. Here you want to fill a basic information about the product that you want to source. First you have to enter the product name. You have to select the category of the product that you want to source. After that you have to type here purchase quantity, means you have to tell them how much quantity you want. Maybe 1000 or 2000, it's depend on you. And then you have to select trade terms like FOB, FCA, FAS, CAF. You can select here. And then you have to tell them target unit price in USD, means how much you are willing to pay for one piece. And then you have to select here your maximum budget. After that, in detail section you have to type here detail about the specific product that you want to source. You can also upload product image or files by clicking on this. The last step is shipping and payment. Here you have to select the shipping method and then destination port, and here you have to mention lead time, means how much you wait after a supplier receives the initial payment. After that you have to select the payment terms like LCTT, you have to select here and then simply click on submit. Your request will be submit. By using this step you can easily source your desirable product. Whether you are looking for private labeling, OEM manufacturing, or large-scale bulk production, they make the process easy and efficient by connecting you with trusted suppliers who can deliver quality products on time. No matter your project size or complexity, they have got you covered every step of the way. So the platform interface is very simple and easy to use. You can see here in left side categories, like lot of categories: consumer electronics, light industry, healthcare, computer products, and everything is here categorized so you can find your desired product easily. Like you can see here lot of products. For example, if you want to source shoes, you can simply type shoes on search bar and click on search. Like here you can see the different variety of the shoes. Here you can also filter by category like man shoes, sneaker, work safety shoes, or running shoe or basketball shoes. You can also select here minimum order quantity or material like leather, cloth, silicone, or you can also select a style like modern, cartoon, fashion, or you can also select a color like red, colorful, black, features like breathable, waterproof, warm, anti-static. Everything you can select from here. You can also select a business type like trading company, manufacturing factory, or you can also select a city from where you want to source. Like when you click on supplier list, here you can see the list of supplier. You can see their rating, their business type, main product, or in which city they are situated. You can also chat with supplier by clicking on this button. You can chat related customization, pricing, or you can also negotiate. Or you can also contact the supplier by clicking on contact now button. Or here you can see the top ranking product. When you click on this, all the top ranking product are displayed here. Like you can see the top rated shoes are here. Simply click on it. You can see the pricing detail here, or product details like customization available or not. You can see here the customization is available, means you can add your logo, or you want to change anything you can customize easily. You can see the shipping policy like shipping cost, payment method, or refund policy. You can see here refund policy is claim a refund if your order does not ship, is missing, or arrive with product issue. Or when you scroll down, you can also see the company rating, how much they get rated. Or you can also see the supplier is verified or not. Like you can see here the badge. This means this supplier is verified by third party agency. So this is very simple, easy to use. And finally, their market insight and trend reports provide you with valuable data on product demand, pricing changes, and the latest industry news, empowering you to make smarter decisions and stay one step ahead of the competition. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear directly from the real user who have experienced the benefit firsthand. Their feedback show how madeinchina.com has helped businesses grow, simplify sourcing, and find the perfect manufacturing partners. Whether you are sourcing a product for your online store or a wholesale distributor or managing a large-scale businesses, madeinchina.com provides the essential tools, trusted security, and direct access to the reliable suppliers you need to thrive in today's competitive market. With a verified supplier network, secure payment options, and tailored sourcing services, madeinchina.com is truly designed to support your global trading needs. Be sure to check out the link in the description to explore madeinchina.com yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss out our latest content.